Okay. I hope I'm recording. Very like I don't know how to say, dusty, like it's not holding very well together, so you wouldn't have like snowballs or something. For driving it should technically be better, but because it's not as bad as we will try, we'll see. Yeah, I can see that I hold much better than usual. Oh, I even have some. Okay. Stop by the church and examine if everything is okay. Oh my God. Is he coming here? Yep. It's actually worse because they removed the snow and the humidity in the air formed on the road, and it's cold enough that if there's probably some salt there, but it's cold enough that it still freezes. So because of all this snow dust, it's decently grippy, but when it's removed, it's not great. Okay, that was my update. Take care, everyone.